back, foodies. Today on Cheri the Chef, we're going to be making some homemade pizza rolls, and not the kind that you think of that you get out of the freezer section at the grocery store. We're going to be making these from some string cheese, some egg roll wrappers, and some pepperoni. So they're a lot of fun to make. They're super easy. You can let the kids help you with these. And I'm going to do these in the fryer, but you could do these in the oven as well. If you do them in the oven, I'd probably spray them with a little bit of Pam just to make them a little bit crispier, and you'd probably want the oven on about 425 degrees. So again, these are super simple. All you need is some string cheese. So I've got about 3 here that I've already unwrapped, and then I've got some turkey pepperoni. So you could use regular pepperoni or Canadian bacon. You can even do sausage, just whatever you would normally put in your pizza. But today I'm just doing just like a regular pepperoni pizza. So I'm just layering up some pepperoni in here, and then I'm going to throw on one of my string cheese. And then we're going to wet the sides. So if you've been watching, I've been using the egg roll wrappers this week. I usually use an egg wash, but if you don't have eggs on hand, you can just use a little bit of water. It'll seal it up just fine. So I'm using my little Pampered Chef brush that I love because it has the little thing on there so it doesn't fall into the water. So I'm just going to fold these up. I'm going to roll it back, make it real nice and tight. Then we're going to fold our edges in, and there you have it. So we're going to do 2 more of these. So a little bit of pepperoni again. Might have to eat some of that. It's about lunchtime here. Alright, so we're just going to brush our sides again. Well, you might need a little more. Alright, and then we're going to roll them up again. Tuck it in there. Tuck in our sides. And then keep rolling. So 1 more. I have a little extra pepperoni over here. I'm probably going to have to eat that. I'm going to brush my sides again. There we go. And our cheese. Roll it up nice and tight. Tuck in the sides. And there you have it. All right, so we've got our 3 little rolls, and now it's time to toss them in the deep fryer. All right, so we've got our deep fryer all ready to go. I'm going to pull up my basket, and I'm just going to toss all 3 of these in here at once. About burned myself. Toss those in there. Grab our little tongs. Make sure they fry all nice and even. And these don't take long. Maybe just about a minute. We just want to make sure they get nice and golden brown. And if you've watched my other videos this week, you probably noticed instead of putting my fried foods, deep fried foods, on a plate with paper towels, when they sit like that, they tend to get soggy on the bottom. So if you get a baking rack on top of a cookie sheet and let them drain on there, and you can even put some newspaper down underneath it here to catch the grease. I just wash this off when I'm done. That'll keep them from getting soggy on the bottom, though. It'll keep them a little bit more crisp. So it's great for fish or whatever you're deep frying. So these have a nice crispy coating on them almost. Almost golden brown. That one there looks really good. There we go. So I'm just going to put them over here. They smell good. I'm hoping our cheese is nice and melty. So I'm going to let them cool just a little bit, and then we are going to try them out and see how they taste. All right, so I've got one of our pizza rolls here, and I just want to cut into it and see if that cheese is nice and melted like I'm hoping it is. And it is nice and almost melted like I wanted it. I wanted it to be, I could have left them in probably a few minutes longer. And I've also got a little bit of marinara sauce here, so we're just going to dip it in there and hopefully I don't burn myself. That is 100 times better than any pizza roll that you are going to get at the store. So much more cheese. You can control how much sauce you want to put on it. Crispy, That's the part I really like. It's crispy compared to a regular pizza or pizza roll. And then you got the spice of the pepperoni in there. I should add some jalapenos in here next time. I like jalapenos on my pizza. I've got grease dripping on my hand here. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that. And tomorrow we are going to be making, oh, what would you call it? It's almost kind of like a cannoli. We're going to use the egg roll wrappers, and then I'm going to use some mascarpone cheese. Am I saying that right? I don't know. Mascarpone cheese. It's like cream cheese, but it's like richer. We're going to use that, some strawberries, some powdered sugar. We're going to roll it up. We're going to deep fry it, and then I'm going to make some homemade whipped cream that we can dip it into. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye.